जोड़ों का दर्द हो या रियल एस्टेट प्रोजेक्ट, रेलिस्प्रे देता है इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट। एक मिनट, ये रेलिस्प्रे की ऐड नहीं है, ना ही मैं इनकी प्रमोशन कर रहा हूँ। बट हाउ डिड रेलिस्प्रे बिकम अ हाउस होल्ड नेम, और इसका रियल एस्टेट से क्या कनेक्शन है, और आप एज अ रियल्टर रेलिस्प्रे से क्या सीख सकते हो? अगर जानना है तो वॉच दिस वीडियो फॉर द नेक्स्ट 1 मिनट। मेरा आपसे एक सवाल है, अगर आपके जोड़ों में दर्द है तो क्या आप रेलिस्प्रे यूज करोगे या फिर ये मल्टीविटामिन की गोलियां? Of course, Relispray, right? Because of two very simple reasons. One, it attacks your pain point directly. And two, it gives you instant relief. So this is why Relispray became the #1 preference of the customers. And it became the market leader in its category. Do you want to learn how to apply this Relispray approach and 14 other unique strategies that we talk about during our live workshop? Then we put together a 3-step framework. Hi, I'm Nimit, founder of Lead Factory, a lead generation agency based out of Mumbai. We've worked with more than 70 developers, various channel partners, and trained over 6,850 plus realtors just like you. In this live workshop, we will teach you 2 interesting things. 1, how to find your customer's pain point. And 2, how to create your communication and market your real estate project in such a way that it specifically addresses to those customers' pain points and turns your customers from visitors to leads and leads to sales. This workshop will actually help you grow your real estate business from 2 to 10 deals a month consistently, and how you can make 7 to 10 lakhs every single month in your real estate business. If you want to learn all of this, then click on the link below and sign up now. By the way, this workshop will cost you less than a mobile charger.